very big. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, when I get to I'm excited. I'm very excited because we're kicking off Vlogmas Day 1. And it feels so quick. The time just runs so fast. But forget about Vlogmas a little bit. If you're seeing this part of the video and you're able to comment God is good, please do so for me now. Because indeed our God is a good God. We made it to December. And I'm grateful. Are you grateful? I'm very, very, very much grateful. So comment God is good. This is all I want to see for the first set of comments them. God is good. And then further down in the video, we can talk about whatever that will be taking place in the vlog. Anyways, we are kicking off Vlogmas Day 1 in a style that I didn't want to. But because it's raining right now, whether sunshine, rainfall, I am grateful. You know, I did have 1 or 2 problems with rain and I don't complain. I don't complain. But just deal with things with grace and carry on. So sometimes when I see people and I feel like, yeah, all is well pan for them side. No. But we're just grateful because you know what? It could have been worse. Oh, I don't have the problem with rain anymore. It was a little leaking. Moment of honesty. That's what we do in Vlogmas, right? Bits and pieces of everything. When you see everything, we vlog for the entire, is it 31? 31 days. I think it's 31 days. So I'm going to stay inside today and do something else. So we're going to start off Vlogmas Day 1 by elevating my room. Yes, I'm going to, you know, spruce it up a little bit. Thank you so much, Costway, for sponsoring this part of the video. Costway sent me over this beautiful olive tree. So I'm super excited to be unboxing my olive tree in today's video. You know, everything happened for a reason. Because I wanted to start out the vlog by shopping for some stuff that I want to use to, you know, spruce up the room with the olive tree. So I want a big mirror. So that's what we were going to shop for. Plus other little things when we see further down in Vlogmas. But not to stray too much. So I'm going to tell you the vision. Hold on. I want a little corner to take pictures and to look at our full outfit. We are not able to do that. Well, we are, but it's a hassle. The dresser don't show all of that. We have to step way back to see our entire outfit. And we have a closet, this right here, but yeah, we still have to step way back. So I want a big mirror to go beside my olive tree. I'm going to let you guys help me to bring my vision to life. The room looks like this currently on this side. I want to move the dresser so I can get the corner. I want the mirror, right? The big mirror. Hopefully I get it in a gold with gold detail around it. And then I'm going to put the olive tree beside it. And then I want an ottoman, right? And then I want one nice plush beige blanket to put on the ottoman. Or if you put over the mirror, you know, show it and you know, something. Enough of the chatting though. We are going to unbox our plant that Costway sent to me. Let's get right into it. It's very big. I don't know when you see me like that shirt, I know. Be up to something. I am going to unbox something. I am going to clean because the shirt here, I tell you, it got through it with me. Anyways, let me bring it down a little bit. You know what I think about it? The mirror what I want and the ottoman, I can go over Costway go find it. So I might just shop those on Costway. The only thing we have to go pay attention to when them go ship. This never take long to come. So I might can grab the ottoman and the mirror there. Like we see how it go. Anyways, guys, when you can go over Costway to find everything like there. Them have everything. I'm going to link this guys in my description box so you can click the link and check them out. I'm excited. Oh, I'm not be able to help for this. Wait, it have the olive them on it. I don't want to say something. tie down in the box. But I just want my bedroom to look grown and modern. I love it! What? It looks so real. What? And it has the little olive them on it. Alright, so I'm gonna fluff it. You can hardly tell say fake. On a bet I go get this. I know the best time to buy it now because the price drop. I'm gonna insert a screenshot show now. Yeah. So I never know say did I go so tall, but I really appreciate that because I want it to be taller than the mirror when I put the mirror beside it. But that is it, guys. All I had to do was to just fluff it out. It came intact. It came in the pot. Everything was on it. Nothing to drop off it, guys. Like, it's literally sturdy. It not fall over. And I was paying attention to that. So you see, oh, I just have it there by itself. So it's the perfect balance. And I love that because sometimes I buy some fake plants and it's a turnover because the top too heavy for the pot. So everything looks good. I love it. It's very cute and classy. And thank you so much, Costway, for sending me this beautiful olive plant. Let me just push it out so I can see the full length inside the furniture. So I think it's perfect. If you love it and you want one, click the link down below and just browse through their page. You might not want olive, so they have other stuff. They have monstera, they have snake plants, they have a whole variety of stuff, guys. They have bed, they have dining table, TV stand, ottoman, mirror, kitchenette, you name it, Costway have it. And as I mentioned, now is the best time to go over there and shop. So click the link down below. They have the Black Friday sale and it's running until the 8th of December. Also, before we go, they were generous enough to give you guys 10% off. So use my code to get 10% off. Plus, if you make a purchase of over $100, you might win some free gifts. So just make use of that, guys. Let me just clean up back my area because the room is already a hot mess. I'll change my camera battery and come back to now because I want to get Jason's reaction to it. I did a ball up my throat a while ago. I called Jason and I not hear him. So, I go ring him my phone to get him reaction. I mean, you might like it. Well, I'm gonna say that because men. Yeah, baby. Come here for me, please. When you reach our door, don't open it. Close the eyes. I'll come for you. Can't believe it's rain fall today. Man. Come in. Wait. Come. Come to me. Me now make you buck up, baby. You don't trust me?
Trust your boy, there's a skill, you know.
You don't trust me at all.
Bed food, they say, you know.
Babe, they're not. Guys, my husband have trust this is look like.
See, you just have pitch me.
So me have to make one see your face, so me have to go move a plant.
Plant and show me.
Oh
no! Okay. Me not like, me know say it's a fake plant, but for a fake plant it looks so real.
I was just saying that to them, babe.
Cause I like the detail of the tree itself.
So these are the little olives. Fake olives.
Okay. Okay. I like it.
I mean, what's there not to like about it?
Yeah, tall though.
So the plan is to move the dresser. Yes, I'm gonna move the dresser again, babe. But I want a corner because we always a struggle for. You don't want to see your entire outfit?
Yes, babe.
Exactly. So more passion, more energy. We literally just move up a room. That's why I'm exhausted.
Bye, guys.
Oh, let me tell you now what I plan for do now. For cleaning this time around, I'm going to give a lady some work. She been asked me for some work. That's the type of work that she does. She not only do it for me, like she do it for like, that's her job. You know them people that were like wash and just clean up place and whatever the case is. I don't love to say help her. I don't love it. I don't love to hear it. So you're not gonna hear that from me like that. So this time around, I won't be doing the windows. Well, I never normally me clean windows though. It's Jason clean the windows and the wall and the door and stuff like that. My bedroom is fully out of it though. For the living room, she gonna do the walls, she gonna do the door, the windows in there, the kitchen window, the back room bathroom, and the little wash area in the back. So that's what she gonna do. And that's it. And then after she do that, I can just go in. Meanwhile, she a clean me, I go do my room. I'm thinking that I want her to come tomorrow. I want to start off everything fast and quick. So now it's like, it is early, but me don't want to have cleaning I consume the whole of the time. Remember last year where way down in December me just put up curtain and stuff like that? I don't want that. I want to enjoy the house well decorated, well clean and stuff like that. Plus the curtain them due to come down because at them time here last year them up. Somebody gonna say, girl, what? But yeah, me only change curtain one time for the year. Is that normal? So the curtain them due to come down. So I'm going to just strip the house, wash the things them, fold them up. Me already put away everything in the drawer them. Me do the closet them already. So the only thing that is there for her to come in and do is just to clean. Me go just finish strip down and you know so she have a clear space to work with. Take off the cushion them off them there, take them off, take off the one in the living room, make them stay empty until I'm ready to just go in and decorate. I was going to tell you guys the color that I'm using for Christmas, but when I tell you everything, when I use surprise, you know. So we're going to keep that a secret for now. Not sure about my bedroom as yet, like what color curtain and stuff like that, but I know I have everything figured out for my living area and my kitchen. Just, you know, a little rundown. So these vlogs will be a continuation. So when I start today, I just continue. So some days you might not hear me say, oh guys, it's Vlogmas day 2, Vlogmas day 3, Vlogmas day 4. Further down in Vlogmas, you won't be hearing that. Also, some days you're not gonna get like a intro. Like when I say hello beautiful people and whatever, you guys will get it, but some days it won't be like that because as I said, these vlogs are going to be a continuation and some days I'm gonna just end off so sharp. But remember, Vlogmas is all about this. It's bits and pieces of stuff that happen in my life. That's what I share on Vlogmas. So if today is a chill day and I'm not doing anything, I'll come and I'll show you because that's a Vlogmas, right? And I'm trying my best not to miss it. I feel as if some days I miss Vlogmas because I don't get the time to edit. Also because me say, oh, today just boring, me not do nothing. But I'm learning to just share it same way because when I feel like people not appreciate it, they do. I get messages like, girl, all if I just cook your cook, show it because it's just therapeutic, whatever. And I appreciate those messages because I think about it too, say, wonder if this not too enticing, wonder if it just blah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave out it. I'm still at home. Rain still a fall. Baby in the background shiggle up some things. If you don't hear nice like rat. I'm organize him tool them. Me in a man cave right now. But as me I said, me not leave out it because me help my niece with our project by saving the images so we can like send them off to her and stuff like that. And our cover page, whatever, she did everything else what she could do, but she want help with this, and I don't mind. I'm gonna do it. May I use my phone so it's not as pretty as when I'm on the camera, but yeah, Balti,
Yeah.
I forgot give me some coffee. My tea end up turning something that this morning. No juice.
Yeah.
Will it show? Is it showing? That's on a PNG, though. You just get the background as it.
Right there. What image option them then?
That's what I said to you.
I rub up you know. You know what? You go do your work.
So guys, this is what me I do. I'm not even sure if me go bother figure do something them. I'm not even start clean up my room. I just need come get to this because it did take such a long time to get Microsoft. Like they make you do so many unnecessary stuff. Me have to answer 20. Forget Microsoft. Me have to listen to fake cat. Me have to insert one something me couldn't hear. I'm so annoyed. Microsoft, this is not necessary. This no need to be a happen. What? 18 of them?
Option 1. Option 2.
Definitely.
Option 3.
Mew.
Cho. Can't bother. Cho.
Option 1.
Meal.
Option 2.
So make just sit down and look for your fake cat. So.
Option 1. Option 2.
Meow.
Option 3.
How did you do that? That's why. Why me I gotta use my brain when I have Jason? Goodbye, beautiful people. Love you guys so much. See you in Vlogmas Day 2.